Stress doesn't always have to happen inside a computer simulation, or mentally when I check my bank account. Instead, what if you could turn ordinary plastic into a real-time visual map of physical force? Luckily, photoelasticity lets us visualize these invisible forces using nothing but light. When you stress certain clear plastics, they become birefringent, meaning they slow down light differently based on the intensity and direction of the strain. By placing the plastic between two polarizing filters, we can force light to interfere with itself, turning mechanical stress into vivid, color-coded topographic maps of internal pressure which we can see with our own eyes. Setting this up was surprisingly simple. All I needed was a polarized light source and a polarizing filter to look through. I'm using a polarizing filter so I can tape it over the camera lens, but a pair of polarized sunglasses will work too, they'll just be a bit darker. For the light source, I realized I don't need anything fancy at all since computer monitors already have a polarizing film built into the screen. You can prove this by opening a white screen and rotating the filter in front of it. As I hit 90 degrees, I'm essentially turning the slats of the filter sideways, completely blocking the light. For the material, common plastics like polycarbonate or acrylic work perfectly fine. And when you hold these in front of the monitor and look through the filter, you can immediately see the internal stresses manifesting as these vivid color patterns. It's especially cool to look at a piece of molded plastic. You can clearly see the stresses radiating from the injection gate, showing exactly where it was formed. You might also notice some black lines appearing and disappearing as I rotate the part. If you want to get rid of these, you'll need to use a circular polarizer. They hit the stress with light from every angle simultaneously, giving a clean, consistent stress map that doesn't change as I rotate it. Speaking of stress, let's apply some manually to a piece of acrylic and see what happens. We can see the stress patterns forming and disappearing in real time as I twist, bend, and play around with the plastic. For fun, I also ran a simple FEA simulation to compare it to our physical experiment. I fixed the bottom and applied a force to the top to see how it transfers through the material. The simulation predicts a buildup of stress near the base where the bending moment's at its peak. And sure enough, when I flex the plastic, we see exactly that. The top has very little stress, but as we move down the length of the part, the bending stress multiplies and intensifies. We can literally see the material being compressed and pulled in real time. I also got this really cool shot by rotating the polarizing filter to block out the monitor light. Overall, I had a ton of fun playing around with these pieces of plastic, and it's definitely something I'd recommend if you're interested as well. And with that said, I'm going to continue staring at these cool colorful patterns, and have yourself a great day.